I'll show you how you can claim your Magic Eden ME token airdrop. First, you need to have your Magic Eden wallet installed on your phone, as everything is done through this app. Once you have it installed, open the wallet. You can either click on the Claim Magic Eden token notification, or if that doesn't work, you can open your browser and type mefoundation.com. In this case, we'll go through the notification. Also, make sure you have enough Solana for the gas fees when you're claiming the token. Since the token was released just 15 minutes ago, there's a lot of traffic, so the website might take a while to load. If the site keeps crashing, just keep refreshing and trying again. Once the page loads, it will tell you that you're eligible. Ensure you have connected every wallet that interacted with the Magic Eden website. Then click Proceed. It might still be slow due to the high traffic. Be cautious of scams and only use the domain mefoundation.com. After some waiting, the claim screen will load, showing how many tokens you can claim. Click Claim Your Tokens. Now you can choose your fee: Standard, Fast, or Turbo. Standard is the normal Solana fee. Fast means you're willing to pay more for quicker transactions, and Turbo means you're willing to pay even more. You can also set a custom fee. Click Connect to link your Magic Eden wallet to the claim website. Once connected, you will need to approve the transaction. Once you confirm, it should process. If everything looks good, click Approve. And that was all. Subscribe, it's free.